Hey friends, I'm Tylee with Baratza Support, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your Sette 30 to keep everything running smoothly and your coffee tasting great. I'll show you how to remove the hopper and the adjustment assembly, and how to give everything a thorough cleaning. Then I will show you how to use grinder cleaning tablets for an extra thorough clean. You'll need your grinder, a soft cloth, warm soapy water, a non-metal brush, like what came with your grinder, and optionally, grinder cleaning tablets. First, make sure your grinder is totally empty. If you have a hopper full of beans, rotate the shutoff knob to the closed position to keep those safely in the hopper. For the remaining beans in the grinder, grind those through or dump them out after removing the hopper. Either way, make sure there are none left in your Sette. Next, unplug your grinder from the wall. To remove the hopper, rotate it counterclockwise, then lift up. Empty the beans out into another container with the shutoff knob. With the hopper empty, wash that, the grounds bin, and the dust tray with warm soapy water. Either let them air dry or thoroughly dry them with a paper towel or soft cloth. Do not put these or any other parts in the dishwasher. If you would rather not clean with water, we recommend at least wiping these parts off with a soft cloth in order to remove as much oil on the surface, which coffee can stick to or leave an unpleasant flavor. Now let's pull out the adjustment assembly so we can give the burrs a clean. First, remove the arms by pulling straight out. Then, rotate the adjustment assembly clockwise past the coarsest grind setting. On the right-hand side, you will see this tab with a blue mark on it. Align that with the blue arrow and remove by pulling straight down. Start with removing the cone burr so all the coffee can be cleared out. Press the adjustment assembly down firmly on a steady surface to pop the cone burr out. Brush off the cone burr and holder with the brush that came with your Sette or a clean paintbrush. Pay special attention to these slots where the ground coffee exits and clean it with a brush. This is optional, but to get a deeper clean, the cone burr can also be removed from its holder with the hex wrench that came with your grinder. Brush out the rest of the assembly. Do not use water or any other liquid to clean these parts or the burr will discolor or rust. To put the cone burr and holder back in, just press them into the assembly with the cone burr facing up and the funnel facing down until it all clicks into place. I will show you at the end a good way to get a deeper clean with grinder cleaning tablets if the brush is not enough. With the adjustment assembly brushed out, let's focus on the ring burr inside the grinder. Brush that out thoroughly from the top and bottom. Now flip the grinder upside down on a cloth to avoid scratching your grinder. Pay close attention to this area here inside the grinder. I've removed the gearbox to show the area more clearly. This groove here is where the adjustment assembly burr holder slots in when you adjust the grind setting. Coffee can build up here and cause issues to your grind if not cleaned out. Turn the brush around to the metal handle and use that to scrape out any coffee inside. If you no longer have this brush, you can use any small, stiff metal object, like a straightened paper clip. Your clean ring burr and groove should look like this when you're finished. Be thorough. Now that the basic cleaning is complete, let's reassemble. Then I will talk about grinder cleaning tablets for those who want a spotless grinder. First, put the assembly back into place. Align the blue tab on the assembly with the blue arrow on the grinder and press up. These ridges on the black burr holder also need to line up with the grooves in the grinder, so you may need to rotate it a bit for things to fit. Once slotted in, make sure the blue tab and the blue arrow are aligned as you press completely into place. Then rotate counterclockwise until the black grind setting indicator is pointing to one of the grind settings. As you pass setting 31, you will hear a soft click as it activates a safety switch. Now the hopper. Settle the 3 legs into the slots, press down, and rotate clockwise so that the shutoff knob is pointing straight to the back of the grinder. You should hear a soft click as the hopper activates another safety switch. Insert the arms by pushing straight in. Align them this way to use with a portafilter or this way with the grounds bin. And don't forget to set the shutoff knob to open before grinding. Just plug the grinder back in and reassembly is complete. Your cleaning can be finished here, but if you'd like to take it a step farther, we recommend using grinder cleaning tablets like these. These tablets are designed to be ground in a coffee grinder without leaving any lasting flavor and will not damage your grinder if used properly. We cannot say the same for grinding rice for a cleaning, which we do not recommend. We recommend following the directions on the tablets you purchased, but here are the general steps. Adjust the grind setting to around setting 15, in the middle of the range. Grind the specified amount of tablets just as you would with coffee. Discard after grinding. Then grind a small amount of coffee through and discard. This is to make sure that no cleaning powder is left in the grinder afterwards. If coffee is starting to build up, the cleaning tablets alone will not clear it out. This is why we always recommend completing the basic cleaning with a brush before using the tablets. Now your Sette 30 is spotless. Cleaning frequency is dependent on the coffee you're using, but we recommend checking in at least monthly. If you're using particularly dark roasted coffee, or if you ever use flavored coffee, cleaning every other week may be necessary since those types of coffees are very oily compared to light roasts. For troubleshooting tips, or if you have any questions, please reach out to Baratza Support through baratza.com. Thanks for watching and happy grinding. Baratza, we grind, you brew.